This is you. Your global enterprise spends millions yearly on translations, everything from internal documents and contracts to marketing collateral, support materials, and social media channels. When it comes to procuring translation providers to cover all these needs, many procurement folks run into some stress when it comes to these challenges. 1. How can you justify value? We all know that the cheapest solution is not always the best with regards to quality, so how can you evaluate how to get exactly the level of translation quality you need at the lowest possible cost? 2. Some companies use more than 100 language service providers to complete translations for different business units across the enterprise. Each provider is typically storing an independent translation memory, has different pricing, and may be most effective on certain kinds of projects. This creates complexity when it comes to onboarding, consistency of messaging, and the next issue. 3. Reporting. Since all the work is being done by separate providers for individual business units, reporting on and contrasting the overall effectiveness of translations across the enterprise can be time-consuming and convoluted. And if you're forced to do it by hand, it may make you wish the weekend were closer. We hear you, procurement, and we want to help, so we created something just for you. Imagine a centralized hub through which all enterprise content gets processed and optimized for translation. What if the same system managed the entire workflow to ensure quality, cost, and efficiency goals are met, and over time, you could track how all providers are performing from one centralized dashboard? That is Parakeet Language Hub. Here's how it works. Your users upload projects to the hub when they need translation work done. Parakeet consolidates your vendor's individual translation memories so all content is cross-referenceable, saving time and money. After pre-processing through the translation memory, our predictive sourcing model uses advanced AI to estimate cost, quality, and even on-time delivery reliability through different providers. Transparency at this point in the process encourages competitive pricing from your providers and exposes previously missed cost-saving opportunities to your users. Once a provider is selected, the work is sent directly to the provider and progress is monitored and tracked. When the translation is complete, Parakeet facilitates approvals of the work performed and can publish directly into your chosen channels via API. The Language Hub's reporting and dashboard provide a simple window into key metrics across the enterprise, ending the need for manual comparison. Now, not only can you control cost and quality, you have a tool that ensures the right provider is selected for the job every time. You know how much is being spent with and how much is owed to each provider, track subject matter expertise, and consolidate translation memories, eliminating the management challenges that come with handling each provider separately. And you can report on how each of your providers is performing, all from one single solution. With Parakeet as your hub, you can be sure that your enterprise is using and paying for the right words no matter the language. And that makes everybody happy. Get started today by contacting us here.